Hi everyone, so today's soap of the day is a carrot and oatmeal scrub. It's really special. So I started out by peeling and then slicing the carrot before putting it in a saucepan with a little bit of water, and I'm going to let that cook until it's really good and soft before pureeing it with my immersion or stick blender. And I want to make sure everything is really smooth so that the quality of the soap and its texture are consistent, and that's why I also work it through a sieve to make sure everything is really smooth. And I'm measuring out my lye very carefully. The lye mixing part is a really crucial part of soap making, and it's important to understand all the safety procedures. That's why I'm wearing gloves, and I'm also using a heat-proof and aluminum-free container to mix everything in. And I have to stir the lye, the sodium hydroxide, until it's completely dissolved. There are no lumps that are undissolved. Everything is mixed into the carrot mixture really well, and then I also need it to cool completely before adding it to my oils. I have my 5 oil mixture that I'm giving a quick blend to so that they're well mixed before adding my carrot and lime mixture, being very careful not to splash anything. So this is the important part. The lye is going to make the liquids and the oils emulsify together, and it's going to thicken considerably. When it gets to a stage which is called thick trace, the texture is consistent, I'm adding in rosemary and rose geranium essential oils, which will thicken the mixture further and also add a lot of wonderful properties to the soap. As you can see, the soap has what we call trace, which the soap leaves a little bit of a trail on the surface when dropped or poured over. So I'm going to pour off half the soap to make a luxurious bar of carrot bath soap. It's also great for the face, skin, hands, and to the other half I'm adding really finely ground organic rolled oats, as well as some moringa soap, which I'm using as embeds. So the moringa colors the little embeds of soap green, light green and dark green, which gives a really nice contrast. So we have the white from the ground oatmeal, we have light green and dark green from the moringa, and we have yellow from the carrots, all natural colorants, which are really beautiful as well. So I'm pouring that into my molds, and it's considerably thicker now, not only because of the oatmeal, but because the longer you leave the soap, the thicker it becomes, which I really want it to be at this stage, because I don't want the embeds to all sink to the bottom. I want it to be sitting in the soap consistently all the way through, which they are. So I'm going to put this aside for 24 hours, and then it's time to unmold the soaps. The next day, it's time to unmold. This is the pure carrot puree soap with no oatmeal or any kind of scrub in it. I like it because it's really smooth, and I think carrots, they say, always gives like a really calming, soothing effect on the skin. So this is how it looks like. I'm just peeling my recycled mold off and smoothing everything out, and we're going to measure everything carefully. I slice my soap by hand. It's very stressful trying to get everything really straight and neat, but most of the time it comes out okay. I usually cut my soap a little larger than 1 inch, and there you go. That's what it looks like. I love it. The carrot really gives it a vibrant color that actually lasts really long. So now this is the soap with the embeds and the oatmeal, and you just have to take a look at that. It's really beautiful. I just love it so much, and it's great as well. So they're white and light green and dark embeds. And now these are the extra bits of soap that I turned into little donut soaps. They're really beautiful. The embeds really shine, and there's a nice contrast. So if you like this video, do like, subscribe, stay tuned for more. I'm going to be uploading more soap making and cooking videos. Bye!